Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zapdos respawn. First, ensure you have already encountered and either caught or defeated Zapdos at its initial location, often a power plant or specific cave. This legendary Pokémon will not respawn if its first encounter has not yet concluded. Confirm its initial absence before proceeding to the next steps for its reappearance, which are quite straightforward for persistent trainers. Before Zapdos can respawn, you must complete the main storyline, specifically becoming the Pokémon League champion. This significant milestone in your journey unlocks many post-game events and legendary encounters. Without achieving this status, Zapdos will remain absent from its previous location, regardless of other attempts. So, focus on your championship challenge first, and then prepare to revisit its former haunts. Once you are the champion, the next step involves waiting for game time to pass. You will need to allow at least one full in-game day cycle to elapse for Zapdos to have a chance to reappear. This means advancing the clock by 24 hours within the game world. In some versions, you might even need to wait 48 in-game hours. Simply playing the game or letting your console run will advance this internal timer. After allowing sufficient in-game time, you must actively reset the area where Zapdos appears. This involves completely leaving the location, such as flying to a different city or entering a large building far away. Simply stepping out of the room is not enough. You need to force the game to unload and then reload the entire map segment. Returning to the power plant or cave after this reset should make Zapdos available once more for capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.